Hi, I'm Polly Jean Harrison with the Fintech Times, and we're here at Innovate Finance Global Summit. Would you like to introduce yourself for us, please?
Yes, hi Polly, I'm Eric Mouilleron, the CEO and founder of Bankable. So Bankable provides a banking as a service platform to in fact accelerate time to market for clients. And I think we are a UK-based company, and we are in fact operating across all Europe and now in the US as well.
Fantastic. And how are you finding the event so far?
Well, it's my 8th event, so it's not the first one. I've been to all of them. I prefer this one than the last one was on Zoom. Yeah, so this is so much better to meet our colleagues, our peers, and so I really enjoy it. Yeah, it's back to face to face.
Perfect. Yeah, absolutely. And so, what are the major trends we're seeing in fintech currently?
So there's two trends we're seeing. I think, of course, there's there's the banks who are doing fintech and the fintech who are innovating. But on the bank side, what we see more and more is large banks replicating the success of fintech and deploying that across their network. That's one tendency that we see, and I think the other large tendency, it's a lot of fintech started with a prepaid and then debit, but credit is definitely coming. Of course, you saw the Klarna of the world. But there's in fact more and more, direct competition with banks, because since the last 10 years, more and more fintech became regulated, and some became full banks with or without a balance sheet. Yeah, a small balance sheet or a big one. Yeah. Mm.
Absolutely. And so, when it comes to things like collaboration and partnerships, how important is that to the industry?
Well, we've been in fact branded as Bankable, the friendliest fintech to incumbents since 10 years. So I think, of course, I'm not going to say that partnership was the vision we had at the beginning. It remains more and more true, because since at the beginning I would say the bank were a bit defiant. Who are these mosquitoes trying to attack our business? But now things have changed. In fact, there's younger people at banks as well. And in fact, the idea is to find these intrapreneurs within banks to build new innovative solutions. So I think, I think that's what I can tell you.
Absolutely. And so, what role does fintech need to play in sustainability?
So I think sustainability is not an option. If you want to grow, you need to recruit, and when you recruit people between 20 and 30 years old, if you don't have a very clear policy, a clear purpose and a clear commitment to sustainability, you have no business. As simple as that, whether you like it or not. So I think it's definitely not a gadget anymore. You need to demonstrate as a founder and CEO to your team that in fact we have policies, we are serious about it, and we're making an impact collectively to change things.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Polly.